Bitcoin price holds support at $20,000 as the crypto market struggles to gain momentum. Bitcoin price is around $31,000, but given how volatile the asset is and its proclivity to go on parabolic runs, the Bitcoin price tomorrow could double or correct by another 80%. When the Bitcoin Core client code was released into the wild, Bitcoin was virtually worthless, with a value of far less than a penny. Years later, it began trading at more than $1,000 and was regarded as a serious financial asset with long-term potential. Hey friends, welcome back to Billionaire Crypto Investor. In this video, we are going to find exciting facts about Bitcoin price and the crypto market struggles to gain momentum. And let us dive in. Bitcoin's potential took the world by storm in 2017, as many people became rich beyond their wildest dreams after Bitcoin reached its now-defunct all-time high of $20,000 per BTC coin. The mainstream media ran story after story about Bitcoin, causing retail investors to rush to buy the asset. However, once 2018 arrived, a major Bitcoin trend shift occurred, and the price began to fall. Because Bitcoin is so volatile, the market price retraced as much as 80% down to $3,000, where it eventually bottomed, leaving many to wonder, will Bitcoin ever go up in value again? Others anticipated Bitcoin's resurgence and opened long positions at the bear market's low point. At the start of 2019, Bitcoin growth resumed, and a strong rally lifted the price of Bitcoin out of the bear market lows and above $10,000 to $14,000 before falling back to $6,500. The Black Thursday crash in 2020 drove Bitcoin to less than $4,000. However, the US and other countries' stimulus efforts to combat the pandemic significantly inflated the money supply, putting Bitcoin in the financial spotlight. The cryptocurrency went into another uptrend in 2021 and set a new all-time high at $65,000. Bitcoin has since dropped by more than half to the low $30,000 range. Bitcoin is currently trading at around $44,000 per coin. The price of Bitcoin continues to find support at $20,000 despite the struggles of the cryptocurrency market to gain momentum. Bitcoin, BTC, and the wider cryptocurrency market continue to struggle to generate momentum. Prices traded flat on the day, and there were no major developments to give crypto traders anything to get excited about. This made it difficult for Bitcoin, BTC, and the wider cryptocurrency market. Many people were relieved to see that the price of Bitcoin had climbed back above $20,000 on Monday. However, Kitco's senior market analyst Jen Wyckoff warned bulls not to be overly optimistic because bears are still in charge of the market. This past weekend marked a 6-week low for prices, which are currently demonstrating a downward trend. Bears have the overall near-term technical advantage, which suggests more sideways lower price action in the near term, warned Wyckoff in his morning Bitcoin brief. Bears have the overall near-term technical advantage. In the short term, there will be weaknesses, but Bitcoin will prevail. Independent market analyst Michael Van de Poppe, who also noted the potential for weakness in the near term, posted the following tweet outlining one potential price path that Bitcoin could follow over the next couple of weeks. This price path is one potential path that Bitcoin could follow over the next couple of weeks. As Poppe mentioned toward the end of his tweet, the performance of Bitcoin in the days and weeks ahead is likely to be largely influenced by the performance of the United States dollar, which has been on a tier higher since the beginning of August. This trend is expected to continue. Having said that, it does appear as though Bitcoin will survive to fight another day, which has led some previous naysayers to issue self-corrections on the matter of Bitcoin. This is the case because Bitcoin appears as though it will survive to fight another day. This includes the author and former stockbroker Jordan Belfort, also known as the Wolf of Wall Street, who just recently admitted that his initial projections made in 2017 that BTC would head to zero were incorrect. Belfort is also known for his role in the book The Wolf of Wall Street. Belfort stated, "At the time that I really hated cryptocurrencies, I stand by everything I said about cryptocurrencies in 2017 except for one thing. I was wrong about Bitcoin going to zero, but I didn't look closely enough. I just said it's a scam. The trading activity in the market for alternative cryptocurrencies was, for the most part, chaotic, with the majority of tokens finishing the day with no change in price as they followed Bitcoin's lead. Among the top performers for the day is XYO, which posted a gain of 14.87%, as well as a price increase of 13.5% for Synthetix, SNX, and a gain of 10.54% for the Ethereum liquid staking service LudoDAO. XYO is among the top performers, LDO. The total value of the cryptocurrency market is currently at $980 billion, and Bitcoin holds a 39.4% share of the market dominance rate. Now let's talk about Bitcoin's future price prediction. 2021 Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin's price has remained stable at the golden ratio of 1.618, as it has in previous bull markets. If the cryptocurrency follows previous cycles, this September should be the final launch point until the cryptocurrency reaches $100,000 or higher. Bitcoin price forecast 2022 to 2023. After the bull market reaches its apex, the next few years in Bitcoin could be bear market territory. If this occurs, the best strategy is to short each bounce. Bitcoin's bear market bottom would be near current levels, leading back to the previous ath of 2017. Bitcoin price forecast 2024 to 2025. Markets are cyclical, and Bitcoin has a 4-year cycle with each halving. With another halving scheduled for 2024, the price of Bitcoin will begin to rise as supply is further reduced. This could spark a new bull market, with prices approaching $500,000 or even millions, as experts predict. It's easy to see why so many people are bullish on Bitcoin, and why Bitcoin price predictions can reach such high numbers, ranging from thousands to even over $1 million per BTC. When you consider all of the massive price projections and forecasts from industry experts that suggest Bitcoin will someday replace all currencies across the globe, it's easy to see why so many people are bullish on Bitcoin. Considering all of the massive price projections and forecasts from industry experts that suggest Bitcoin will someday replace all currencies across the globe. The revolutionary technology has sparked an entire industry aimed at disrupting traditional finance, and cryptocurrencies are already well on their way to widespread adoption and regular use by the mainstream public. This is due in large part to the fact that the technology is decentralized and cannot be controlled by a central authority. Bitcoin is accepted virtually everywhere these days, and users can even use Coinstar machines found at grocery shops to buy cryptocurrency. It is currently supported by services such as PayPal and Venmo, and even credit card companies like Visa are beginning to offer it. Bitcoin, BTC, is currently attracting investment from corporations and other types of institutions. It is easy to see how opening a short or long position using 100 times leverage to trade Bitcoin's volatile price swings can be extremely profitable, even more profitable than investing itself. Given the lows and highs in recent years, as well as the lows and highs predicted by industry analysts and experts, it is easy to see how opening a short or long position using 100 times leverage to trade Bitcoin's volatile price swings can be extremely profitable. Traders can make use of the facilities offered by trading platforms such as Prime XBT, which allow them to open positions on the BTC-USD pair with up to 100 times the normal amount of leverage. Additionally, Bitcoin can be exchanged for alternative cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and EOS. Traditional assets, such as the most widely traded currencies in the foreign exchange market, commodities, stock indices, and spot contracts for gold and silver, are all available to trade through Prime XBT. The potential for making a profit has never been higher than it is right now, as Bitcoin is about to embark on yet another bull run. It is never too late to get started trading Bitcoin because the price of a Bitcoin is predicted to reach $100,000 to as high as $1 million per BTC. And that's it for today, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions or comments, please share them with us in the comment space below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see even more of our incredible videos. You can also check out our other videos that have been specially selected for you. We'll catch up in the next video.